All right, I have been on hiatus. I do not have my mouth guard with my fake tooth in it. You can probably hear a little bit of a lisp, but I realized when I talk, you really don't see my top teeth unless I smile, which now is very closed mouth. Hopefully, you will not have to look at that hole in my teeth. The more I can leave the guard off, the quicker it will heal, I believe. So anyway, I've decided vanity to the wind. I'm really very proud of myself for handling it better than I thought I would. So thank you for all of your prayers. I've had no pain, and my doctor was excellent. So that's the description of last Thursday's tooth pulling event. For those of you who don't know, they have removed one of my front teeth, which was a crown, which needed to go, and I'm going to have an implant put in, but that takes 1 year. So I will be toothless with a guard if I want to be able to smile real big for the next year. So happy day. I'm trying to take it all in stride. All right, a few things. I've gotten back in these adorable zipper bags from ellembee, and they're very cute, they're very funny, and I got one that I did not have before. So this one says, from now on, when people ask why I'm not married, I'll just say it's a supply chain issue. I think that works for a lot of single gals, maybe guys too. Here's my new one. What did people do before chapstick? Just die? This is the one that sold out. The adult version of head, shoulders, knees, and toes is wallet, glasses, keys, and phone. Makes a great gift. And the last, the key to looking fabulous, is looking like most of the time. So it's more of a surprise. So there you go. Those make a cute, cute gift for a bunch of friends. They are $13.95 each. So there you go. Restock. Now, Ingrid, my bead lady from Richmond, who has done all of the leaves that we've had, sent me a new box, and I just have to show you these pins. They're fabulous. This is an embroidered parrot with beads on the bottom. Do you see it? It's unbelievable. It has a pin on the back. Just love that parrot. This is $45. And then I love this. This is a sneaker, right? All embroidered with beads up here. This one is $42. So cute. All right, then last year she sent these beaded stars, and she just sent some more. So these larger ones are $50. They are gorgeous. $50 for the big ones. I mean, they're absolutely beautiful. I don't know how she does this, frankly. And then the smaller ones, a little bit smaller, are $48 on these. So gorgeous. Really, just beautiful. So those are new things that we have in the shop. If it might remind you of a good friend and say, oh my gosh, it's perfect. It's exactly what I want to give them. All right. I've explained my mouth, kind of like a lisp. There's no tooth there for my tongue to push against. So anyway, I think that's it. It's Tuesday. We've been busy. Thank you to all the people who donated for Friend to Friend. We are busily wrapping and getting organized to deliver those hopefully by Friday. So it's taken an army. It took a village. Our entire staff and clients have helped wrap and shop and donate. So many thanks. Once again, this year we have tried to take care of a lot of people at Friend to Friend. So thank you. All right, I'll see you tomorrow.